Do you have those puffiness under the eyes and those jowls which you never seem to kind of get rid of? Well, even through facial massage and facial exercise. Now, it could be because you still have toxins and waste buildup within the facial area, and it's really important to drain these away. So in today's video, we're going to do some lymphatic drainage massage. Now, I'm Ali, I've been a facialist for the last 8 years, and I really am passionate to help you on your skincare journey. So first things first, you want to start off obviously with clean skin and clean fingers. Not necessary, but I am going to use just a little bit of some facial oil here, just for slip and glide, so you're not compromising the skin by dragging or pulling at it, particularly if we have older skin. I'm in my mid-50s and you tend to lose collagen and elastin as well. So just applying it into the fingers, and then under the chin and the jawline, and just down by the side of the ears, down by the side of the neck, down to the collarbone here. So we want to open everything up. So what we're going to start off with is where our collarbone is, just above, we've got some indentations if you like. So we want to take our fingers, so get to the collarbone, just lift up with the fingers so you can just feel those indentations, and let's just do some very gentle presses. Now, I always like to start off with this, and at every massage, facial massage or fascia work, I always finish off with the lymphatic drainage. This really does help get everything going. And now let's just work up and work a little bit on this SEM muscle here, either side of the neck, and we're going to do this at one side at a time. So if you actually tense your neck, for instance, you should see like a huge big muscle. So taking our fingers, I'm starting almost from where the shoulder is, and you just want to get right into that. Take your other finger and your thumb and come along, relaxing the neck, really press down, releasing anything. Just get everything going, opening everything up. And you can get right in there as well. And again, I can't stress enough that if you have toxins and waste building up within the facial area and it's remaining stagnant, you also end up with skin which doesn't look so glowing, if you like, and also you end up with that puffiness. So by doing this, it really does help. So then on the other side, and you may get a little bit of pinkiness, that's fine. And again, just get right in and just gently pressing and holding. Obviously, if you do have long nails, you can always use your knuckles. We're coming further up, just really opening the pipes here. So now let's work on the eye area and then just come all the way down. So taking our ring finger, because we have a lighter touch, we're just applying a little bit of oil onto the fingers. Sorry, I have a cat in the way here. You can see I'm busy painting and decorating for the new year as well, so it's a little bit crazy. So where the eye is, just placing where the bone is under the eye. You don't need to go any higher up, because whatever you apply onto your under your eye is going to literally draw up like blotting paper. And then with the ring finger between the eyes, just gently gliding from between the eyes where the bone is, nice, slow and mindful, towards the temples here. Now, if you can have a product which is organic, that's even better as well. Obviously, the better quality ingredients, the better, because whatever you do place onto your skin is actually going to penetrate in as well. Just gliding all the way along. And then above the eyebrows. And then again under the eyebrows towards the temples. Moving everything along here. And then we're just going to come to our temples, just massage. nice round circular motion one way and then the other. Who needs background sound when you have a cat purring? And then just glide down either from the temple down to the front of the ear. And we're going to do this one at a time here. Now we have plenty of lymph nodes by the side of the ears here, and then on the other side. And then placing our thumb under our chin, fingers as a hook, we're lifting up, just gliding along, lower part of the face, slow and mindful. Again, very fine. The lymph is very close to the surface of the skin as well, so we're moving toxins and waste, lower part of the face. And then glide under the jawline, from the chin all along the jawline towards the ears. And again, we have lots of lymph nodes in this area, so we're moving everything along. Again, nice, light and fine. This is probably one of my favourite exercises actually, and it's such a nice, easy one to do. And then again, front of the ears, and then behind the ears, one hand at a time, and then on the other side as well. And then taking our fingers, let's just massage now from behind the ear and work our way all along the occipital bone. So bottom of the head, top of the neck. And again, we've got some lymph nodes here. And also we hold on to a lot of tension here. So I want to release any tension within the neck and also the face. So then when the fingers here are then touching together, one hand at a time, let's just glide down this big SEM muscle down to the collarbone. And on the other side. To say there's a huge big muscle, and it's almost the gateway, if you like, to literally everything from the head, the neck. So you want to move everything down, all that toxins and waste. And then from the chin all the way down, literally our beginning position, where our collarbone is just above, take the fingers and just give those a few gentle presses. And then what we're doing here is we're releasing toxins and waste into the body, ready for elimination. Also, once we've done that, as a little Billy bonus, I could do another two things which I would recommend as well. You can also place your hands onto your shoulders and just come in a backwards motion, moving lymph, and then forwards as well. And then I always like to finish off a couple of times going backwards just to set the shoulders in place. Then taking the flat of the hand for more surface area again, from below the collarbone, just very gently gliding towards the armpit. And the other side. Again, not always necessary, but it's always quite a good one to do. And then again, fingers, and just do a few more gentle pumps. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and please comment down below. Tell me how you found this today. And if there's any other facial massage exercises, fascia work and lymphatic drainage you'd love me to share with you. And I also have a community if you'd like to join me there, and also a emailing list. So if you'd like to check that out, I'm going to start doing weekly sort of emails just on the latest products, also my latest videos, and just information on skincare in general, obviously natural. And I hope you enjoy this Face Yoga Master Natural Lift Method today, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.